This is DC Danton Croaker Seder, and what day is it today? It's the 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day. Little birdies. Oh. I was out of eggs because we were running around yesterday. Had a lot of things to do. And I just noticed I was out of eggs, right? So I sent Brian off with his little stroller to the store down the street, and he was able to get eggs for Seymour. Cannot let Seymour not have his, hear him? Seymour have his eggs. He must have his eggs. And our little sparrows came down here. Look at that. I think Speedy almost landed on the hood of the car as I was getting out. He remembers the old days with our little Charlie. Anyway, look at our gulls already. Huh, look at the group of pigeons on the roof there of the church. Look at that. And here's our little black-headed gulls. And we have a few crows in the trees, not so many. But there were birds here feeding on the field, which is something unusual, especially when Georg Schmidt's here. Could be that he's busy doing something else. We'll get out here. We're going to stay away as far as we can from him. Put down the food down this end. Okay. Good thing I got those eggs this morning, right? Got one mule gull there too. Look at that. Makes completely different sound. Completely different species of gull. Here's a very high pitch squeal with that. I think that's Seymour up on the street now, because the gull here, silver gull here on the ground, I don't see a band on his leg. So there we go. Look at these guys. Okay, honey, that's, here, that's Seymour. Come on, Seymour. Come on, Seymour. Get in there, Seymour. Get in there, Seymour. Get your egg. Well, the eggs are gone already. Somebody got eggs. My goodness. Hope you got some eggs, Seymour. Well, if you don't get them now, you'll get them tonight, right? Look at that. Okay, guys. Now our crows are on the, rather very hungry, but it's cold. It's very cold. Hope our little sparrows get something. Got a lot of birds eating there right now. Crows are going to get in there and get their peanuts in the shell. You know, it's very strange that the Hayfully employees don't do anything anymore. I have no idea why. It certainly wasn't the 1,000 franc fine because they were still doing stuff afterward. And then all of a sudden they stopped for whatever reason. Who knows? Maybe corporate got to them. We don't know. Or maybe they heard we were being pushed out of our apartment, perhaps. I don't know. Certainly our car dealership knew about that. You know, at the end of the day, it's a village. It is a village. It's a very compact village, but the mentality is village. Is certainly far from enlightenment. So, anyway, okay, little guys. I have to get going because today's a dialysis day. I have to feed Bryant before he leaves, and I got to do a little bit of shopping. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Love your birds. Stay safe. And enjoy your Valentine's Day wherever you are. And I shall see you later today. And I will be getting some additional treats tonight for the birds. We'll have some grain balls there. We'll have a bigger selection of treats. Yeah, that is either a hatefully employee or just someone who just hates the birds. Who looks like he came from that direction. Anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Have a good day wherever you are, and I shall see you later today. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, over and out.